In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Namecheap domain to your Wix website. If you've recently purchased a domain through Namecheap and you're ready to connect it to your Wix site, you're in the right place. This process is essential for giving your website a professional touch and ensuring visitors can easily find your site through your custom web address. I'll walk you through each step clearly and concisely. So by the end of this video, you'll have your custom domain up and running. Let's get started. First, head over to the Namecheap website. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the page and click on the account option. This is where you'll log in to your Namecheap account. If you're already logged in, you can skip ahead, but if not, enter your username and password in the designated fields. Once you've filled in your credentials, click on the button labeled Sign In and continue to access your account dashboard. This dashboard is where you'll find all the domains you've purchased. Now that you're in your account, you'll see a list of all the domain names associated with your Namecheap account. Take a moment to locate the domain name that you want to connect to your Wix website. Once you've found it, carefully copy the domain name exactly as it appears. This step is important because any errors in copying the domain name could result in a failed connection, so double check to ensure it's correct. Next, let's head over to the Wix website. On the Wix homepage, look for the Go to Wix site link, which will take you to your Wix dashboard. Once you're in your Wix account, navigate to the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a variety of options here, but for now, click on Settings. This is where all the configuration options for your Wix site are located. Inside the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Domain. Once you find it, click on it. This is where you'll manage domains that are connected to your Wix site. After entering the Domain section, click on the option titled Add a New Domain. This step will allow you to begin the process of linking your Namecheap domain. Now, paste the domain name you copied earlier into the required field. Again, make sure it's pasted exactly as it appears on your Namecheap account to avoid any issues. Once the domain name is entered, click on the button that says, Yes, I own this domain. This step is essentially confirming that you're the rightful owner of the domain you're about to connect. At this point, if you haven't already upgraded your Wix plan, you might be prompted to do so. Connecting a custom domain is a feature that's only available with certain Wix plans. If you're prompted, follow the instructions to upgrade your plan before proceeding. Once your plan is upgraded, Wix will take care of the connection process for you. Here's the great thing about Wix. The platform handles the technical side of things automatically. Once you confirm ownership and have the right plan, Wix will connect your domain for you. This means you don't have to worry about manually configuring name servers or DNS settings, as Wix simplifies the process. And that's it. Your Namecheap domain is now connected to your Wix website. Just give the changes some time to take effect. This can take anywhere from a few minutes to 48 hours, depending on your domain provider. In the meantime, you can continue working on your website or customizing your content. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.